1. 1930 Ford Coupe Custom. Price, $18,500, located, Atoka, Tennessee. The 1930 Ford Coupe Custom is a classic American hot rod that combines timeless styling with dependable Chevrolet V8 performance and practical modern upgrades. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a tan interior, this custom coupe has been built to provide enjoyable cruising while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of an early Ford street rod. Under the hood is a reliable Chevrolet small block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, creating a proven drivetrain that delivers smooth acceleration and dependable performance. The suspension has been upgraded with custom tubular upper and lower control arms, providing improved handling and a more confident driving experience. Brand new wheels enhance both the appearance and road manners of the vehicle, giving it an aggressive stance without sacrificing comfort. According to the seller, the coupe runs and drives well and is ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately. Trade offers may also be considered depending on the vehicle presented. Combining classic body lines, reliable mechanical components, and tasteful performance upgrades, this 1930 Ford Coupe Custom represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or enthusiasts searching for an affordable vintage hot rod that is equally enjoyable at local car shows, weekend cruises, or casual highway drives. 2. 1934 Ford Truck Hot Rod. Price, $17,000, located, Springfield, Missouri. The 1934 Ford Truck Hot Rod is a beautifully crafted vintage pickup that combines classic steel construction with dependable modern performance and traditional hot rod styling. Built using an original steel cab and a custom steel bed mounted on a professionally fabricated frame, this truck delivers both durability and timeless appeal. The removable hood and radiator shell are constructed from lightweight fiberglass, helping reduce overall weight while maintaining the classic appearance. Power comes from a strong GM small block V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a B&M Pro stick shifter, providing smooth operation and dependable performance. The rear is equipped with a GM 10-bolt Posey differential, while the front suspension features Speedway lowered hairpins, crossover Vega steering, and front disc brakes for improved handling and braking. Functional headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals make the truck practical for regular cruising. The original steel dashboard houses working dolphin gauges, while crank-up side windows and a tilt-out windshield preserve its vintage charm. With a clear Missouri title, this dependable hot rod is ready for weekend cruises, local shows, and years of enjoyable ownership. 3. 1927 Ford T Roadster. Price, $20,000, located, Ashland City, Tennessee. The 1927 Ford T Roadster is a classic open-top hot rod that combines lightweight construction with proven Chevrolet V8 performance, making it an exciting choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. This professionally built roadster has approximately 13,883 miles and remains in excellent condition, offering dependable performance and timeless styling. Power comes from a reliable Chevrolet 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission, providing smooth acceleration and relaxed highway cruising. A 3.42 rear axle ratio offers an excellent balance between performance and comfortable long-distance driving, making the car equally suitable for weekend cruises and local car shows. The seller describes the vehicle as being in new condition and emphasizes that it is available for cash purchase only, with no trades considered. Its classic body design captures the unmistakable spirit of early American motoring while benefiting from dependable modern mechanical components that require minimal maintenance. Combining vintage appearance, reliable performance, and quality craftsmanship, this 1927 Ford T Roadster is an outstanding opportunity for anyone looking to own a traditional hot rod that delivers both excitement and lasting collector appeal. 4. 1940 Ford Hot Rod Truck. Price, $24,000, located, Bartlett, Tennessee. The 1940 Ford Hot Rod Truck is a solid custom pickup that blends iconic pre-war styling with dependable high-performance Chevrolet power. Built as a reliable street rod, this classic truck is powered by a Chevrolet 383-stroker V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission, delivering impressive horsepower and smooth, dependable shifting. A durable Ford Mustang 8.8-inch rear axle provides additional strength and reliability, making the drivetrain well-suited for both city driving and highway cruising. According to the seller, the truck is an exceptionally solid build that runs great and is ready to enjoy immediately. The clear title adds confidence for the next owner, while the proven mechanical combination ensures straightforward maintenance and long-term reliability. The timeless styling of the 1940 Ford body continues to attract attention wherever it appears, making it an excellent choice for cruise nights, automotive events, or weekend drives. Combining classic American truck design with modern performance upgrades, this custom hot rod offers a balanced combination of power, durability, and vintage character. It represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a dependable classic that is ready to drive and proudly display. 5. 1926 Ford GT Coupe. Price, $25,000, located, Arab, Alabama. The 1926 Ford GT Coupe is a beautifully customized all-steel hot rod that combines classic styling with impressive performance and modern driving enjoyment. Finished in an attractive burgundy body with a freshly painted black upper section, this unique coupe has only 2,026 miles and remains in excellent condition. Under the hood sits a built Chevrolet small block V8 equipped with dual carburetors and a tunnel ram intake, delivering outstanding power through a responsive 5-speed manual transmission. The seller describes the car as running and driving exceptionally well while offering plenty of power for spirited cruising. Inside, the custom interior features quality gauges, a stereo system, and a comfortable cabin that complements the vehicle's handcrafted appearance. All real glass windows remain fully functional, and the chopped roofline gives the coupe an aggressive hot rod stance. Built entirely from steel with no rust, this classic Ford provides durability and long-term collector appeal. A clean title accompanies the sale, and the seller is open to trades involving other hot rods, rat rods, classic trucks, or similar vehicles. This outstanding coupe is ready for immediate enjoyment and guaranteed to attract attention wherever it travels. 6. 1928 Ford Vicky Rat Rod. Price, $30,000, located, Machesney Park, Illinois. The 1928 Ford Vicky Rat Rod is an impressive custom build that combines aggressive styling with high-quality performance upgrades and dependable modern technology. Powered by a blueprint Chevrolet 350 small block V8 with only about 460 miles, this unique hot rod is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a B&M performance shifter for reliable operation. Electronic fuel injection is provided by a Holley Sniper EFI system working alongside a Holley Pro Dash, offering improved efficiency and modern engine management. Additional upgrades include air suspension, Willwood master cylinder, detachable steering wheel, electric water pump, backup and front cameras, rear cabin cooling fans, Speedmaster air cleaner, and Optima battery. Turn signals and brake lights are fully operational, making the vehicle practical for regular driving. The seller notes that the engine remains cool even during extended trips and that the fresh break-in service has already been completed. Although a front-end alignment and steering adjustment are recommended, the vehicle drives well and consistently attracts attention at car shows. This one-of-a-kind Ford Vicky offers exceptional craftsmanship, reliable performance, and unmistakable rat rod personality. 7. 1923 T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price, $26,000, located, Tony, Alabama. The 1923 T-Bucket Hot Rod is a professionally built lightweight street machine designed to deliver exceptional acceleration, outstanding handling, and classic American hot rod styling. Constructed on a Speedway chassis, this custom build is powered by an impressive 396 cubic inch stroker V8 featuring aluminum cylinder heads, forged pistons, a roller camshaft, and a high-performance single-plane intake topped with a 950 brawler carburetor. The engine is paired with a dependable turbo 350 automatic transmission and a GM 10-bolt rear axle equipped with a Summit Posey carrier, 4.11 Moser gears and axles, and a reinforced carrier girdle for maximum durability. Willwood front disc brakes and GM rear disc brakes provide outstanding stopping performance, while tuned 2-inch headers produce an aggressive exhaust note. Recent upgrades include a new harmonic balancer, high torque starter, and Pertronix ignition system. Weighing only approximately 1,720 pounds with all fluids, this T-Bucket delivers an incredible power-to-weight ratio for exhilarating performance. Combining race-inspired engineering, premium components, and timeless hot rod styling, this exceptional custom is perfectly suited for serious enthusiasts, weekend cruises, and competitive automotive events. 8. 1932 Chevrolet 5-Window Coupe. Price, $69,900, located, Lacey Spring, Alabama. The The 1932 Chevrolet 5-window coupe is an exceptional custom hot rod that combines classic all-steel construction with modern comfort and dependable performance. Finished in a striking red exterior over a beautifully trimmed beige interior, this professionally built coupe has only 502 miles and represents more than 2 decades of careful craftsmanship. Unlike many replicas, this vehicle features a genuine steel body rather than fiberglass, making it especially attractive to collectors who value originality and durability. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth acceleration and effortless cruising. Modern conveniences include power windows and a vintage air climate control system, allowing the car to remain comfortable in a variety of weather conditions. The custom-built hot rod frame and 4-wheel disc brakes further improve handling, stability, and braking performance. Every detail has been carefully assembled to create a reliable street rod that is equally enjoyable on long highway drives or at prestigious automotive events. This outstanding 5-window coupe delivers timeless styling, proven mechanical reliability, and premium craftsmanship that will satisfy even the most demanding classic car enthusiast. 9. 1931 Ford Model A. Price, $28,500, located, Hillsboro, Kentucky. The 1931 Ford Model A is a traditional American hot rod that combines vintage styling with carefully selected performance upgrades for an exciting yet dependable driving experience. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this custom build has only 300 miles and remains in very good condition with a clean title and no reported mechanical issues. Built on a Speedway chassis with a Speedway front axle, the vehicle delivers improved handling while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of a classic Model A. Power comes from a Chevrolet small block V8 equipped with dual 4-barrel carburetors and an aluminum radiator to ensure consistent cooling during extended drives. Front disc brakes and rear drum brakes provide dependable stopping performance while preserving traditional hot rod character. The seller also includes a set of Lakewood headers for buyers who prefer an alternative exhaust setup. Described as a true hot rod, this vehicle is ready for immediate enjoyment at cruise nights, local car shows, or weekend road trips. Combining proven Chevrolet performance with classic Ford styling, this Model A offers timeless appeal and dependable mechanical reliability. 10. 1930 Ford Model A Coupe. Price, $38,000, located, Cookeville, Tennessee. The 1930 Ford Model A Coupe is a beautifully finished all-steel hot rod built with premium components and exceptional craftsmanship throughout. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this professionally assembled coupe has approximately 3,000 miles and is described as an outstanding driver that consistently earns trophies at car shows. Power comes from a Chevrolet 383 small block V8 featuring Brodix aluminum heads, a large performance camshaft, Holley carburetor, Holley fuel pump, MSD ignition, polished Edelbrock intake, Sanderson ceramic-coated headers, and a large electric cooling fan. A turbo 350 automatic transmission with a locker shifter transfers power to a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with Moser axles and 3.73 gears. Additional highlights include power disc brakes on all 4 wheels, Dakota digital gauges, billet steering wheel, power windows, polished suspension components, American racing wheels, Viper shocks, and a 4-inch chopped roof. Weighing only around 2,300 pounds, this coupe delivers exhilarating performance while remaining comfortable enough for long-distance cruising. It represents an outstanding opportunity to own a professionally built, show-quality American hot rod. 11. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe. Price, $48,500, located, Chicago, Illinois. The 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is an award-quality custom street rod built with premium craftsmanship, dependable performance, and outstanding attention to detail. Finished in black with custom flame graphics over a beautifully trimmed white two-tone interior, this professionally assembled coupe has approximately 7,800 miles and has successfully passed the NSRA safety inspection. The Gibbon fiberglass body features outstanding panel alignment and is complemented by a Griffey custom interior complete with matching trunk trim, power windows, keyless entry, tilt steering column, billet accessories, and quality instrumentation. Power comes from a dependable Chevrolet 350 small block V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. A TCI chassis with 4-link suspension, front disc brakes, rear drum brakes, and vintage air conditioning ensures outstanding drivability and comfort. Additional upgrades include an Edelbrock intake and carburetor, stainless brake lines, electric cooling fan, polished engine accessories, and classic wide whitewall coker tires. The seller describes the vehicle as extremely reliable and capable of long-distance travel, making this exceptional coupe equally suited for prestigious shows and enjoyable highway cruising. 12. 1946 Chevrolet Rat Rod. Price, $27,000, located, Liberty, Missouri. The 1946 Chevrolet Rat Rod is a bold custom truck that combines rugged military styling with dependable modern mechanical upgrades to create a truly distinctive street machine. Built around a classic Chevrolet military truck cab, this unique custom is powered by a reliable Chevrolet 350 V8 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth and dependable performance. The drivetrain is complemented by a Jaguar independent rear suspension along with front and rear disc brakes, providing improved handling and confident stopping power compared with traditional vintage truck setups. Modern conveniences include power windows, making everyday driving more comfortable while preserving the truck's unmistakable hot rod personality. Finished in an attractive red exterior with a brown interior, this custom build has approximately 2,000 miles and has been carefully maintained by its current owner. The seller is offering the truck only because they are interested in purchasing another project, giving buyers an excellent opportunity to acquire a well-built custom at an attractive price. Combining classic post-war Chevrolet character, dependable V8 performance, and unique craftsmanship, this 1946 Rat Rod is ready for cruise nights, automotive events, and countless enjoyable miles on the open road.